freezing up when you meet someone new and saying, hello?
Don't worry. Today, you'll learn the exact step-by-step formula to introduce yourself in English with total confidence.
No more nervousness. Let's get started right now. Okay, Alice, today we start from zero. The very first thing you say in English.
The very first thing? Oh, I'm nervous.
Don't be. It's simple. Imagine you meet someone new. What do you say?
I have no idea. That's why I'm here.
Perfect answer. So listen, you say, hello, my name is David.
That's it?
That's it. Simple, clean, powerful.
Okay, let me try. Hello, my name is Alice.
Yes. Now you, pause right now, say it out loud. Hello, my name is...
Say it. Don't be shy. Even your cat won't judge you.
Okay, now there's also a shorter way. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, I'm David.
Ooh, faster, more casual.
Okay, after you say your name, what comes next? People usually ask, where are you from?
Yes, very common question. So let's learn how to answer it. I'll show everyone. You say, I am from Japan. Simple. I am from, and then your country. You can also say, I'm from Japan. Or, I'm from London, England. City first, then country. Let's say it slowly. I'm from Tokyo, Japan.
I'm from London, England.
Now you try. Say your city and country.
Next question, Alice. How old are you?
David, that's personal.
But in English, people do ask this, especially when you first meet someone.
So let's learn how to answer. How do we say our age?
You say, I am 25 years old. Or short form, I'm 25.
You don't always need to say years old. Just the number is fine. Like, I'm 30 or I'm 19. Simple and natural.
Okay, next important part of any introduction. What do you do?
Oh yes, people always ask this.
Always. So how do we answer?
You say, I am a teacher, or I'm a student.
Or I'm a doctor. Or I work in a shop.
2 patterns. I am a plus your job, or I work in plus your place.
Now notice, sometimes we say a and sometimes an.
We say a before consonant sounds, like a teacher, a doctor, and an before vowel sounds, like an engineer, an artist. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. If the job starts with those, say an.
An engineer, an accountant.
For everything else, say a. A teacher.
Okay, let's learn some phrases that make your introduction sound more natural, more friendly, more real. First one, nice to meet you. Say this right after your introduction.
Like, hello, I'm Alice. Nice to meet you.
And the other person says, nice to meet you too.
Now a more formal phrase. It's a pleasure to meet you. Use this in professional situations, like meeting your boss for the first time. Hello, I'm Alice. It's a pleasure to meet you. Very polished.
Okay, next question people often ask, what do you like to do? Or what are your hobbies?
Very common when making new friends. So how do we answer?
Simple. I like, and then the activity.
Like, I like cooking. I like reading books. I like watching movies.
Notice the pattern. Cooking, reading, watching. All have ing at the end.
Just remember, I like plus ing. Don't worry about the grammar name. Alice, what do you like to do? I like cooking. I love trying new recipes. Italian food especially. Pasta.
Now we have a fun question. What is your favorite food? Write it in the comments.
Just one word is fine. Pizza, rice, pasta.
We read every comment. We love hearing from you.
If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with one friend.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Goodbye, everyone.